Hello students, today our topic of discussion is sensors and transducers. So we will know first what is the meaning of these terms. The word transducer is the collective term used for both sensors which can be used to sense a wide range of different energy forms such as movement, electrical signals, radiant energy, thermal or magnetic energy, etc. and actuators which can be used to switch voltages or currents. There are many different types of sensors and transducers, both analog and digital, and input and output available to choose from. The type of input or output transducer being used really depends upon the type of signal or process being sensed or controlled, but we can define a sensor and transducer as a device that converts one physical quantity into another. Devices which perform an input function are commonly called sensors because they sense a physical change in some characteristics that changes in response to some excitation, for example, heat or force, and that convert into an electrical signal. Devices which perform an output function are generally called actuators and are used to control some external device, for example, movement or sound. That means transducer is the collective term used both for sensors and actuators. Electrical transducers are used to convert energy of one kind into energy of another kind. So, for example, a microphone converts sound waves into electrical signals for the amplifier to amplify, and a loudspeaker converts these electrical signals back into sound waves. There are many different types of sensors and transducers available in the marketplace, and the choice of which one to use really depends upon the quantity being measured or controlled. With the more common types given in the table, that is, for light level, suppose they are sensors are light dependent resistor, photodiode, phototransistor, solar cell, and the actuator, the output device is lights or lamps, LEDs, displays, fiber optics. Then for temperature, sensors are thermocouple, thermistor, thermostat, resistive temperature detectors, and the output devices are heater, fan. For like this, for force, pressure, position, speed, sound, all the sensors and actuators are given in this table. And the common, that is for sound, is carbon microphone, piezoelectric crystal, and the actuator are bell, buzzer, loudspeaker, like this. So study the table, you will get the details idea from the table. Input type transducers or sensors produce a voltage or signal output response which is proportional to the change in the quantity that they are measuring. The type or amount of the output signal depends upon the type of sensor being used. But generally, all types of sensors can be classed as two kinds, either passive sensor or active sensors. Generally, active sensors require an external power supply to operate, called an excitation signal, which used by the sensor to produce the output signal. Active sensors are self-generating devices because their own properties change in response to an external effect, producing, for example, an output voltage of 1 to 10 volt DC or an output current such as 4 to 20 milliampere DC. Active sensors can also produce signal amplification. A good example of an active sensor is an LVDT sensor or a strain gauge. Strain gauges are pressure sensing resistive bridge networks that are external biased, that is excitation signal in such a way as to produce an output voltage in proportion to the amount of force or strain being applied to the sensor. Unlike an active sensor, a passive sensor does not need any additional power source or excitation voltage. Instead, a passive sensor generates an output signal in response to some external stimulus. For example, thermocouple which generates its own voltage output when exposed to heat. Then passive sensors are direct sensors which change their physical properties such as resistance, capacitance or inductance, etc. Now, what does the transducer means? A transducer is a device which usually electrical, electronic, electromechanical, electromagnetic, photonic or photovoltaic that converts one type of energy or physical attribute to another. Electrical transducers are defined as the transducers which convert one form of energy to electrical energy for measurement purposes.